Stephen Marley's Old Soul album and Legacy Tour 2024, Best Reggae Hits, Collabs and more. Stephen Marley, the 8-time Grammy-winning reggae icon and son of Bob Marley, continues to shine as a beacon of musical innovation and cultural legacy. His latest album, Old Soul, released on September 15, 2023, marks a triumphant return, blending soulful reggae with acoustic vibes and influences from legends like Frank Sinatra and the Beatles. This 14-track masterpiece, his first full-length project since 2016, features stellar collaborations with artists like Eric Clapton on I Shot the Sheriff, Bob Weir on Winding Roads, and family members Ziggy and Damian Marley. Tracks like Old Soul and Cast the First Stone showcase Stephen's introspective lyricism and genre-defying sound, making it a must-listen for reggae fans and music lovers alike. Available on digital platforms and as limited edition vinyl through StephenMarleyMusic.com, Old Soul is a testament to Stephen's evolution as an artist who honors his roots while pushing boundaries. In 2024, Stephen joined forces with his brothers, Ziggy, Damian, Julian, and Kymani, for the Marley Brothers, a legacy tour, their first joint tour in 2 decades. Kicking off across the US and Canada, the tour celebrates Bob Marley's timeless catalog while spotlighting the brothers' collaborative hits. Stephen's performances, including a memorable show in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, on August 3, 2024, with guest Jay Boog, have been hailed as emotionally charged, especially following the tragic loss of his son, Joe Mersa Marley, in 2022. The tour, which wrapped its North American leg in October 2024, was a healing journey for Stephen, blending classics like Could You Be Loved with his own gems. Fans on platforms like X have shared electrifying clips, praising Stephen's soulful stage presence. Beyond his solo work, Stephen's production prowess shines in projects like the 2022 EP celebrating Nina, a reggae tribute to Nina Simone, featuring artists like Cedella Marley and Joss Stone. His role as a co-founder of the Ghetto Youths Foundation also underscores his commitment to uplifting communities through education and health initiatives. Honored with the key to the city of Wilmington, Delaware, his birthplace, Stephen bridges his Jamaican heritage with global impact. This is just a glimpse of Stephen Marley's unstoppable journey. From Old Soul's heartfelt tracks to the electrifying Legacy Tour, he's keeping reggae's flame alive while carving his own path. Want to dive deeper into his music, tour highlights, and legacy? Hit that like button to show your love, share this video with fellow reggae fans, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Stephen Marley and the reggae world. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a beat. Let's keep the positive vibes flowing. Comment below your favorite Stephen Marley track or tour moment.